Hello, viewers. This is Fida Hussain from Voice of Karakoram YouTube channel. We are here in Baltoro at Gorotu, which is one of the main tourism hub in the Baltoro Glacier. Right now with us, Frank Loke from Norway. We will talk about his experience. Mr. Luca, thank you very much for your time. What is this your first time in Pakistan?
First time in Pakistan, so I don't. Maybe not the last time. I will come back, I think.
Oh, that's great. So, what your experience been here?
No, I like it very much. I have to say, I'm very surprised that the food was unbelievable good. First 3 days I only eat and sleep, and I like the nature. The people are friendly, and I have only positive things to say about Pakistan.
So, what was the main challenge to reach here?
No, this the challenge. I want to say this. Yeah, we are climbing K2. It's the toughest mountain in the world, and for me, it was maybe the preparations. I need to train very hard, very good. So I think I'm ready now. I've climbed Mount Everest last year, and I'm with the strongest team in the world, 8K expeditions. So what I've learned in my life, if you are among the best people, they will lift you up, so you can manage incredible things.
So, which peak you want to climb here?
I want to climb the K2,
K2.
the toughest one. Huh?
Yeah. So, do you think you are saying that you are been in Mount Everest? So you can say this is more difficult than the Mount Everest?
Yeah, it's a little bit different because Mount Everest has the height, but maybe this is more technical mountain, and so I'm a big guy, so I need all the helps from the Nepalish and Pakistan Sherpas guides. Without them, I will not manage. So I need help, but I also have the best guide now. He's sitting right here. You should also ask him later. So his name is Pembati.
Pembati.
Yeah.
So, been here,
Tashi. Pembatashi, can I say.
Allah, you said you're in Norway also same like glacier. So, what is the differentiate between this glacier and in your country's glacier?
Oh, I think it's our glacier in Norway. It's smaller. It's not so many cracks. It's more safe, you can say. I think. Yeah. It's another level. We have a lot of mountains in Norway, but they are smaller. But you can also climb technical mountains there, but you don't have the height. So that's why we want to climb. I'm not a typical mountain climber. But I'm a boy with a dream. I'm an adventurer. I do a lot of crazy things. I've done a lot of crazy things in my life. Before I was a professional handball player. I played 12 years in the Norwegian national team. So I was 2 times the world best line player. So in 2008 and 2012. So I done a lot of crazy stuff. Now I do triathlons, ultra marathons. I do swimming. I'm also a gold record songing artist. So I want to climb Everest, and now I want to climb K2. So we'll see what happens after.
So you have you have multiple professions in your body.
Yes,
Yeah.
I do multiple things, and but I always looked up to the strongest guys in the world, to the most challenging things in sports, in mountains, people. So I always seen the documentaries, I seen the movies, I read about it, and now I'm here, I'm doing that stuff. That's incredible, I'm enjoying every minute. One thing is reaching the summit, but it's the travel, the what happens all the way to the summit. It's fantastic. It's a fantastic.
What was the main fascinating thing, fantastic or fascinating thing or charming thing for you in here?
Until now, it's I like the people. I know they are really friendly, and I think they're like everybody's positive, and I also like the food. I'm a big eater.
Big eater.
Yeah.
Me too.
So I know in Norway everybody is speaking about the Indian food and all the Indian restaurants, in Scandinavia also. But I have to say, the Pakistan food, also the Nepalish food is very good. But It's very good.
While you were reaching Pakistan, what was the challenge? What remained challenge for you? And while you're reaching here, what was the main challenge?
No, it's very hot. I'm coming from from a cold country, so it's very hot here. So after I'm finished speaking with you, I'm gonna direct the sunscreen with 50. So I have to be careful because I'm a little bit. I'm a white man from north. So I need to like put on a lot. I have 50 factor 50. So I'll put on that, and yeah, I need to drink a lot, eat a lot. I'm a big guy, and I need to acclimatize very good. That's the most challenging thing for me.
At administrative level, what was the challenge for you while you were reaching in Pakistan?
Okay, that was all the papers.
Yeah.
Applying for PAC visa, it was okay. Took a month, but I got all the papers good. And coming into the country, for me it was easy. No problems. I'm a Norwegian passport. It's I think it
How
was.
much time took to get visa?
It took me a month.
A
But,
month.
but well, that's what they are also stating on their homepage. So you just have to apply it correct, and I did that, and so I got the PAC visa and all other documentation. The insurance, paid everything. And so for me it was like everything was good for me, as expected.
Thank you very much. Last question: what was the if you I ask you for suggestion for promotion of the tourism in the region here?
Yeah, I have to say, Pakistan is like amazing country, amazing people, amazing food. Just look around here. There are several peaks to climb, and I have to say, I'll tell all my Norwegian friends, and I have many friends in Norway, that they should come to Pakistan.
Thank you very much. His suggestion and his wishes you can listen, and we expect that the administrative level, the peoples are also consider his suggestions, and also we said that you must do subscribe our channel Voice of Karakoram. So and also we are waiting your feedback. Thank you very much.